We are
still ticking
and loving life.
Taking time out with our Prius.
Dense woodlands, expansive meadows and a shimmering reservoir blend to create Delaware State Park. Once home to the Delaware Indians, this recreational area offers camping, swimming, boating, fishing and wildlife viewing for outdoor enthusiasts. The campground offers 214 sites suitable for tents or trailers. The campground features flush toilets, showers, laundry facilities and a dump station. Electricity is supplied at 164 of the sites. A group camp is available for organized youth groups on a reservation basis. Pets are permitted at designated sites. 3 rent-a-camp units, consisting of a tent, sheltered picnic table and other equipment, may be reserved during the season. Boating with unlimited horsepower is permitted. Boat launching ramps are conveniently located around the lake. Boat and dock rentals are offered seasonally. A fully equipped marina offers fuel, fishing and boating supplies. A network of trails aid visitors in their exploration of the park. The trails connect the lakeshore with each of the 4 camping areas, transecting meadows, woodlands and wetlands. Delaware State Park rests in the midst of the fertile agricultural till plains of Delaware County. In contrast to the surrounding farmlands, the park offers a variety of natural features. The area lies upon Columbus limestone, formed over 350 million years ago. This bedrock outcrops in a north-south band through Ohio. The rock has been quarried for years and utilized in many ways, including the construction of the state capitol building in Columbus. Before settlement of the area, a rich beech maple forest covered the landscape. That original forest has long since been cut, but a healthy second-growth forest is preserved in the park. The woodlands and meadows harbor a diverse array of plant and animal life. Interested observers can find large flowered trillium, wild blue phlox, Queen Anne's lace and New England asters. The fields and woodlets are home to the fox squirrel, woodchuck, rabbit and white-tailed deer. The adjacent wildlife area is populated with ring-necked pheasant, while the lake and wetlands are a mecca for waterfowl. Birdwatching is popular here as many species of songbirds nest in the area. A bluebird management trail attracts this beautiful cavity nesting bird.
We are
still ticking
and loving life.
Taking time out with our Prius.